In my view, the only one document today which can be said to be a proof of citizenship is the passport. The context in which the Supreme Court or some high courts have taken the view that it is not a conclusive proof are those kind of cases where a passport has been obtained by a person by a misdeclaration. So supposing you are not born in India or otherwise not eligible to get a passport under the laws of India, and you get it by a misdeclaration. Obviously, if you get something by misdeclaration, you can't say it is a conclusive proof of your citizenship. If it can be proved that this passport was issued without following the procedure which is required to be followed or without meeting the conditions which are necessary to issue a normal passport, then obviously it can always be said that it is not a conclusive proof of your citizenship. So it is in those very specific circumstances where people had taken passports by either forging documents or by misdeclaration or by stating facts which were not correct to their knowledge with regard to issuance of a passport. Now, interestingly, under our Passport Act, there is a section 20, which talks of issuing a passport to a non-citizen also. Now, that's not a normal provision. That's a provision under which, supposing somebody has to travel for some reason and he is not a citizen of India and he is in India, then a document, or even sometimes our embassies abroad are also permitted to issue such kind of passports. And if I remember correctly, there is a notification which authorizes some offices to issue a passport under Section 20. And it is only once an authorization of that kind takes place, then a passport is issued. Now, those would not be a normal passport. Those would not indicate that the person to whom the passport has been issued is a citizen of India. That kind of passport is only for a very limited purpose to facilitate travel for a non-citizen, but only to be issued under very, very specified circumstances. There are, websites and there are news items which have been repeatedly quoting MEA that passport is not a proof of citizenship. So I really don't know in what context and under what circumstances that kind of a stand has been taken, because according to me, the only document in India, till we don't start a citizen's card like many countries have, is the passport which can establish one's citizenship of India.